In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an exercise called leg kicks, and we're going to be doing this lying down as if I was going to give it to someone with lymphedema or an oedema issue. So it's a fantastic lymphedema exercise purely because the muscles that are working are above the kidneys, in which we're trying to get that lymphatic drainage to the kidneys to be excreted. So in this example, because I'm going to be laying down, it means that the lymphatic system can work a little bit easier because it's not fighting against gravity when we stand up. When we stand up, we're looking for that lymph to go up the body from the ankles, whereas we're actually looking for it to go down the body when we do this exercise because of the position of the muscles we're working. So what I want you to do is I want you to start off on your back. I've got a pillow here, which is optional. You can use it if you want to, you don't have to. And then you're going to come into a position where both feet are on the floor and I've got my knees bent. Now, whatever you decide to do on one side, you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. And all you're going to do is kick out, extend the knee, bring the leg nice and straight, and then back down. So you might decide to do repetitions. So you're looking to do these nice and quick. You can also add in some ankle movement if you want to at the top. So you could point down if you wanted to, just to get the ankle moving. But this would suffice for leg kicks. So you're kicking out each time. And then you can do exactly the same on the other side. If you don't want to do repetitions, you might decide that you want to do, for example, seconds, and you would repeat exactly the same amount of sets on one side as you would do the other side. And that is how to do leg kicks for lymphedema patients.